So hi everybody, my name is Elaine Davis and I am your Get the Girl coach, and I wanted to give you just a quick tip today. First of all, please go sign up for GetTheGirlOfYourDreams.com. It's my free newsletter. I promise I deliver lots of fun content, healthy, quick, fun tips, because I know we're all busy. So that's one of the things I want to talk about today, health. How do you work out when you still have a full-time job and maybe you're a single dad or you've got parents or we all have busy lives and commitments. So as you can tell, I really love to work out. I used to do weights with professional guys and now I do hot vinyasa flow yoga, spinning. Exercise is so important, not just for my body, but for my brain. I don't know about you, but sometimes I wake up jacked up. Sometimes my mind is racing. Sometimes I'm full of gratitude, peace, love, and joy. And sometimes I am like, already 3 hours behind my to-do. One of my favorite things to do is I meditate and then I go work out almost every day. Exercise grounds me, it centers me. There's something about sweating that gets me out of here and gets me more into my heart. And I am more love and light. And laughter, which is who I aspire to be, sort of my highest self. So you may be like, well, great, Elaine, I have no time. So here's the thing. If you take 15 minutes of your day, it can make a difference. I know some people are like, that's crazy. 15 minutes. I'm a big proponent. If you only could do 2 exercises, I would do push-ups. And I would do some form of sit-ups, but not where you're squinching your neck, but where you're coming like this, or coming across. There's a million variations. But I swear, if you could do 5 minutes of centered breathing, and then 5 minutes of push-ups, and 5 minutes of sit-ups, and if you have to take breaks, we all start where we are, that alone can make a huge difference. Not just in your physicality, but your energy level, your focus, your concentration, and your posture. We respond to confidence or perceived confidence. 93% of communication is not verbal. So when you are standing there, and I'm not saying you gotta be cocky, like sticking out your chest, but when you're standing there with a quiet confidence, that's yummy. That's attractive. I don't care if you have a little belly. I think that's kind of cute. It's not about being perfect. It's about who you be in your body. And one of the best ways I know to transform that is to get physical and sweat a little bit. And one of the best ways is to start 15 minutes every morning. It'll start your day right. So 5 minutes of breathing, 5 minutes of push-ups, and 5 minutes of sit-ups, abdomen work. Stay tuned for more. I'm happy to do a special video on this. If you want more information, write me, Elaine at GetTheGirlOfYourDreams.com. And please, go sign up for my newsletter. I promise it's going to be fun. We'll do Downward Dog. It'll be a blast. All right. See you soon.